Hi, Kelly here with HVAC.com. Today I'm here to give you a quick overview on the Lennox Healthy Climate X0444 OEM Expandable Replacement Furnace Filter. This filter is the pleated air filter replacement for the PMAC-12C and measures 17 by 28 by 6. It has a MERV 10 rating, which means it filters out 85% of particles down to 3 microns. This includes pollen, dust mites, mold spores, some bacteria, dust, and more. This filter should be replaced every 6 to 9 months, depending on the air quality of your home. If you're looking to further improve the air quality in your home, the X0444 MERV 16 filter is also a direct replacement for this cabinet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on HVAC.com.